அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி தனிப்பெருங்கருணை அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி. வணக்கம். உங்கள் யோகதண்டம் பொன் பார்த்தசாரதி, வடபழனி, சென்னை, தமிழ்நாடு, இந்தியா. Welcome to Siddhar Secrets YouTube channel. Now today we are discuss about the Thaipusam festival, the auspicious day of the Siddhas devotees and Vallalar, Saint Vallalar's devotees, and also for the Lord Murugan devotees, Sivaperuman devotees. In Tamil Nadu, it is a great festival. Thaipusam is celebrating as a very, very auspicious day. Many persons thinking that it is the marriage day of the Lord Muruga, and some persons saying that Lord Shiva had his cosmic dance on Margali Tiruvadira Nakshatram. That means the Orient stars of December month. Now in January, he is doing his cosmic dance with his wife Parvati or Shakti. The Ananda Tandav with his Shakti, the Lord Shiva is doing his cosmic dance with very, very happiness. That is called as also by Lord Shiva devotees is Thaipusam. By Lord Muruga devotees, it's called as the marriage day of the Lord Muruga. Okay, but the Siddhas way, the saint Arutperanjodi Ramalinga Vallalar told, that is, when we are standing to face the north side on the auspicious day of the Thaipusam, that means in India 28th January 2021, when we are facing the north side, our right side is to the east. That means the sun rising in the morning 6 a.m. Okay, the same time in the left side, in the west side of our body, the moon is still standing. It is not hidden. Okay, it's not right. Both moon and sun are visual to see on this day only, on 28th January 2021, that is Thaipusam. When we are facing the north side, the solar system and the lunar system of our breathing are come to the Agni Kala, that means into the transcendental stage of our body and mind and soul. So we are realize the God Almighty power within our body and mind, our soul. That's all. Very simple. No prayers, no puja, no worship. When you are standing in facing to north side, wherever you are in the world, not only in India, if you are in anywhere in world, but you can calculate the exact time of the Indian IST time, 28th January 2021. It is, if it is equal to your local time, if you are a foreigner out from in India, you can calculate the exact time, or what is the sunrise time on the 20th day where you are. You can calculate the correct sunrise time at your local time. You can stand facing to the north side. Your right side is solar system and the left side is lunar system. Sure, you will be able to visual the both sun and moon in the morning 6 a.m. Okay, that is the yoga method. You are trying to simply realize the almighty power within your body and mind and soul. If not only in this day, you can try all the 365 days by the Siddhas Yogis path. Very simple. The yogis and Siddhas in Tamil Nadu, they teach that the solar system and the lunar system same, both are become merged with the Agni system. That means that transcendental stage when only you can realize the God within your mind, body, soul. That is called Thaipusam. Okay? Thank you very much. Any doubt? Please call me. Yogadandam Pon Parthasarathi, Vadabalni, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, 93826898894. Please subscribe our Siddhar Secrets YouTube channel. Welcome. Thank you. This is Vallalar in Tamil Nadu who made this Nana Sabai in Vadalur, Kadalur district, Tamil Nadu. Yogadandam, healer Yogadandam, Pon Parthasarathi, Vadabalni, Chennai 26 93826898894 in YouTube as Siddhar Secrets, Facebook Pon Parthasarathi. It's not a single day festival. You must realize yourself within you, the Almighty, in all days, all 365 days of your life. Siddhar Nani Vallalar. Healer Yogadandam, Pon Parthasarathi, Vadabalni, Chennai 26 93826898894 in YouTube as Siddhar Secrets, Facebook Pon Parthasarathi.